Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sync CapCut project across device. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to sync your CapCut project, for example, between mobile phone and PC, you can sign into CapCut. You can sign in with your Google account. And this is my CapCut account guys. And after we sign into CapCut, we will get CapCut space for free. And this is my CapCut space. As you can see, I got 1 gigabyte space, and you can upload your project to this space. And after that, you can open it from your phone or from your PC, but make sure that you logged in with the same account so it can be synced. And these are my projects, and I can open all these projects on my CapCut mobile. Okay guys, and that's how you can sync CapCut project across device. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!